we divide 730 by 5 in long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 2. So now we put down these 3 and it is 23. 5 times 4 is 20. On subtracting we get 3. So again we put down this 0 and it is 30. 5 times 6 is 30. On subtracting we get 0. So 730 divided by 5 is 146. So this much for today and thanks for watching.